So we changed the chords and all, and bro, there's so much, like there's like Naina 2 to like Naina 9, Naina 10, which said like almost there. It was almost 17-day process to get the final thing done. Ki haan, now we're happy with it. I mean, ye was the original thing, and then this was the. Abhi, for references, what I do is like I put like an auto tune. Not that he needs it, to be very honest. Like if you just like just like a slight, like not at all like there, just to clean it up a little bit. Hello guys, this is Bharg and you're watching Mashable Tod 4 with me. This project was started by Raj Ranjot and Diljit only. Raj who has composed the song. What he did was he had this like drums and like a guitar going on, and Anshuman, he was working with Anshuman at that point in time, so they did a couple of things here and there. I think he sent it to Diljit, and Diljit, of course being Diljit, he sent his beautiful voice on the vocals, and he sent it to Riyadi. It came to her, and then they said ki make this bang. Like sure, and who like gives up an option to work on a Diljit song, to be very honest, right? Of course, Badshah Bhai was also very involved with this song. So Badshah Bhai bhi was constantly like, Badshah was also giving inputs and all ki ye kaise kar sakte hain, ideas and all of that stuff, and even like reassurance, because like, you know, Badshah Bhai just has that hit making formulas. I think it was just a collaboration between like all of us and together. And I mean, the way Raj had like already written the song was so beautiful that there wasn't like a shitload of stuff that you had to do. Only basic stuff that you had to really clean up and make it move. This is what I had originally. And this is like a kick that I added. This is the top stems that we... I mean, ye sab bahut hi... This was me trying to recreate the drum groove again. I mean, ye was the original thing. And then this was the... And then I think so this is like something we tried to do. So this was like in the original chord structure we tried to make it, and then we were like these chords, like this chord with this vocal is not really working that well. So we changed the chords and all, and फिर Naina 2 से Naina 9 पे. I think this was one of those projects जहाँ पे इस पे मतलब there was a lot of back and forth because we had to be very sure about this song also. Initially I just had a file, an audio file, because of course हमारे timelines different है. Raj stays abroad, so timelines match नहीं कर पा रहे थे. So तब तक मैं सिर्फ AI के स्प्लिटर से पहले इंस्ट्रूमेंटल स्प्लिट किया, फिर इंस्ट्रूमेंटल से ड्रम्स और बाकी इंस्ट्रूमेंट स्प्लिट करे, देन ड्रम्स बनाए, एंड देन ड्रम्स पे ही मैंने बाकी चीजें ऐड करनी शुरू करी until I got the guitar loop and all of that. And then मतलब काफी सारे, even Raj had made a lot of different versions of it. So they kept sending it, but this was like one version that they really like this initial part. This was the part that like was playing throughout the song, and that's something that they really liked. So हमने उसी पे काम किया, and of course just a little bit of back and forth. There was not a lot like Raj and I just constantly talking about the song. No, it was very independently done. Like कि उनके पास आया, उन्होंने अपना काम करके फिर मेरे को भेज दिया, and files भेजी, ये सब भेजा, and then we gave it for mix master and it finished up.
तेरे आगे क्या ही फरमाए, बन के नशा तू एक सर चढ़ जाए, बस फिर तू ही उड़ाए.
That part he had to like he was like, okay, can we make it sound big and reverby? ऐसे करके he keeps telling like small ideas, and then he'll be like, can we add a little bit of plucks in the guitar maybe to up tempo it and stuff like that. And then of course he leaves it to me like that way. It's like I'm very lucky, like he trusted me with this, like just let me do whatever he wanted. And if I'd be like, नहीं भैया, this exists, it's just a little behind, अभी mix के सामने mix पे बाहर आ जाएगा, he'd be like, oh cool. This is what we had initially. And then this was the song. So this was like the entire thing that continued over here also. But this wasn't the chord. These chords are different from like, these chords have changed from the initial chords we were playing. The first thing we did was like not make it a loop, and chorus mein we kept different chords. Is something that me and my two boys were sitting, like the two session players with me, beautifully talented both of them. They were like, Bharg bhai ye ja nahi raha hai, and I said हाँ नहीं जा रहा है. They were like, change कर देते हैं, चलो try करते हैं. And then it worked well because जो इनका जो फर्स्ट नैना है वो कॉर्ड से बहुत प्यार से जाता है. So we recorded like a guitar for this. And ये प्रोसेस है, मतलब इसमें मैंने GTR amp यूज किया which is a waves thing. हार्श इफेक्ट डालने की कोशिश करती, ऑफ कर दिया. Nothing, not a lot of EQ, a little bit of delay, a little bit of reverb, LFO tool for the side chaining dipping effect. Then there was this part. Yeah, this was actually there in the original chorus that they had made, but since we changed the chorus chords, we could not play the entire thing. So this was the entire loop. मैंने उस पूरे गाने के loop से ही इतना सा portion काट के चेप दिया यहाँ पे, because it worked out really well. Like it sounds amazing. And then it has this like, so that's really cool. Like I really like that part. So I said, okay, we'll keep this. And then of course there's a muted guitar. Another one with like, and then there's guitar chords. And then of course pads. Oh, this is the keyscape, मतलब keyscape करके plugin है जिसमें से keys होते हैं बहुत मस्त. Then we have another pad which is Omnisphere. Same processor on the same. We did both was the same process. Just to add like that and just to give it that ground. So without these. And then with this, there's a little more depth to the song. And then of course top. And then, so that's something. Then there's this, on this part, on the, so this is the A of the chorus. And then this is the B of the chorus. Just that. And then this. Just this, and then there's the reverse thing over here. So तो हल्का सा चेंज करने से ना कोरस में, like what it does is like if you make an A and B of your chorus, it makes your chorus more exciting if it's a little longer. ये भी पीछे है, very like lightly just there. But there was a lot of work on the drums after this. Then there's this kick that is just existing there for side chaining effect. And then we had another thing over here where I added like these two kicks just to add more punch to the. This kick, like even if you hear it in the original version, like there's a difference in the kick the moment it starts to the moment like this part comes in. एकदम से thump बढ़ जाता है गाने का. And then what else do we have? We have shakers over here. Claps are like a classic thing all the time. They work every time. Disco made it the most popular thing ever, and in the olden times. And then people have just been using these claps. I mean, Friends wala clap sabko yaad hai. So you know, claps just have that relationship with human beings somehow. It's the easiest thing to do. Like we just try to make a lot of fills. For example, there's this. ये बस ये Gilchang loop salty _100. Check that out. That's it. And then what is here? This is another. Yeah, the kick. वो drum loop का ही kick लिया. And then I think this is another fill. Yeah, that fill. Oh हाँ, तो ये इस part पे. So that comes in. So just that. So it like mood. So just that, and then ये. Then again, यहाँ पे एक और fill है apparently. It's also like a very hip hop thing to do because like in hip hop music you just cut beats randomly and you accentuate on the words because the words are like already rhyming so fast. They're the rhythm of the song and they could really dictate the rhythm of the song. So at that point in time, you accentuate those parts through drums and instruments, and music always adds more stuff. यहाँ पे सब filter out कर दिया. And then ये किया, मैंने वोकल को रीसैम्पल करा. एंड देन मैंने क्या किया कि मैंने ये ग्रेन डिले लिया एंड इसको यहाँ पे रखा और ये पूरा चेंज. So that's how it sounds. पहले स्ट्रक्चर बना था गाने का कि ये सब अच्छा लग रहा है, उसके बाद कि और मूवमेंट दें, और मूवमेंट देना है, ये पार्ट बोरिंग हो रहा है, रेपिटेटिव हो रहा है, क्या करें, बीट काट दिया है तो जगह खाली तो छोड़ नहीं सकते, वापस कैसे लाएं लोगों को अंदर, मजा कैसे दिलाएं वो लोगों को. तो ये ऐड किया हल्का सा एक वॉइस वो, एंड देन just like adds like a good drop to the fact that like if you're just listening to the song of it, that's like, yeah. Just like a cool bring you back into the song. So this is it. Bass में बिल्कुल मेहनत नहीं करी. Just simple stuff. Like initially when I made this track, जो मैंने आपको अभी बीच में सुनाया था, starting वाला project, नैना प्रोजेक्ट 2 में, उसमें बहुत बेसलाइन मूवमेंट है ये सब. सो देन वी रिड्यूस दैट, केप्ट इट लॉट मोर सिंपल. देन उसके बाद वोकल्स रिकॉर्ड किए. दिल गवाना क्यों जरूरी. सो दिस हाई हाई वाज एक्चुअली जस्ट मी सिंगिंग इट, हाई हाई. सो आई जस्ट डिड दैट. So and I added like a lot more reverb to it. That was like a subtle thing. Of course, Diljit bhai ke vocals we recorded. Abhi for references, what I do is like I put like an auto tune and I hard tune it for references so that everything just sounds in tune and we know where we're going. So because of that, like we use a little bit of Melodyne. Not that he needs it, to be very honest. Like if you just like. बड़ी दूरी बस तेरी है जी हजूरी, जमाना क्या ही समझेगा, दिल गवाना क्यों जरूरी. Just like a slight, like not at all like there, just to clean it up a little bit. So we have IP main and all of that vocals right here. Was without this. So no energy. So मैंने कहा चलो इसको रैप अप करते हैं. देन बादशाह भाई's vocals were also like easy. Only बादशाह भाई is very quick with his stuff in general. तेरे आगे क्या ही फरमाए, बन के नशा तो एक सर चढ़ जाए बस. This is very heavy because बादशाह भाई is very close to the mic, so you have to sort of like bring the low end down because otherwise it becomes very boomy. तू ही उड़ाए तू ही गिराए. So you just have to control that. A compressor that like heavily compresses, like slightly compresses the vocals. Quick attack, slow release. Another EQ, a de-esser because I boosted the highs, but a little lesser because in demos, like often people want like that high sheen while listening to the demo. After the mix, you sort of like reduce it down. Of course, ये अभी ऐसे है. We had to time it also perfectly, vocal align it, सब कुछ बहुत टाइम करना था. बट ये सब अभी when I had to do it, this ये Island City में I was recording it and just adds a lot more texture. कैसे समझाए हाय हाय, you could bring your crew, take it to the sky, जो ना करना चाहूँ. So like just those stuff. So I just did a little bit of harmony and what are these over here? उसकी अदाएं कैसे समझाए. I love this. Like I love the कैसे समझाए वाला part that बादशाह भाई did. एक नजाकत है ब्रो, उसमें एक अदा है जो वो लेकर आते हैं. Yep, that's it. That's नैना.